everyone. It's Aldo at Kixie. So, as we all know, anyone who submits a form online generally expects to receive a confirmation right away, letting them know that the information was received and potentially outlining what next steps in the process look like. So, today I want to show you how to send an auto text confirmation when a new form is submitted through a HubSpot workflow. So, let's jump right into it. We will go into a HubSpot contact based workflow here. And so the trigger for this workflow is a new form submission is received, and I can jump into this and specify which form is being submitted, and I can potentially build a confirmation that's centered around the customer journey in submitting this form. I can see here different options as to where this form is being hosted, and then potentially build out some messaging based around that. So great, I have my trigger set. And then the next step of this process, I actually decided to get a little bit fancy and add an if-then branch here. So this if-then branch is very simple. It's just checking to see if a contact owner is assigned or not. And then the two paths are a contact owner is known, meaning that the contact owner field has some property there, has some value there, or it's unknown, meaning that there's no value there. And the only difference between these two branches is that the contact owner known field, I'm going to send a Kixie auto text, and the contact owner unknown field, I'm going to assign a contact owner and then send out that auto text. So what's cool about Kixie auto text messages is they can either come from the assigned contact owner or from really any Kixie phone number on the platform. And we can specify whether that's coming from the contact owner or a custom contact owner right here. But if we look at the messaging itself, we can see that we can tailor this and make it really personable by embedding contact property fields right into the text message. And because we're specifying which form this message pertains to at the beginning of the workflow, we can make the message itself very specific to what's going on, to the context as to why they submitted their information to you in the first place, and then sort of craft our messaging from there. And so that's really it. It's a pretty simple process. A new form gets submitted, and we send out an auto text message right away, letting them know that the information was received and outlining what steps are going to come next. And this is a really great use case because it achieves potentially two purposes. One is it sends that auto text message out right away, but because you have the option to send it from the actual contact owner in HubSpot, it can also introduce your prospect to their dedicated point of contact, providing them their direct Kixie phone number, and then just sort of explaining what to expect next. So if you have any questions about this, drop me a line. I'm happy to explain further, and stay tuned for more use cases. Thanks.